In this video I'm going to show you how to stop someone from leaving comments on your story, reels or wherever on Instagram. So the way to do it is you need to open up Instagram, and once you have opened up your Instagram you need to search for that profile. So in my case I just want to restrict this guy. So let's say you are on their profile. What you want to do is click on the three dots at the top right and click restrict. And basically what it says, limit unwanted interactions without having to block or unfollow someone you know. You control if others can see their comments on your posts or their replies to stickers in your stories. Their chat will be moved to your message requests so they won't see when you've read it. And that's basically how you stop someone without blocking them so that they know you actually blocked them. This is the best way to do it. So thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe saying this video helped me out. If you didn't, also let me know what was the problem and I'll do my best to help you out.